here I am over at the construction site again today. But here's the beautiful thing about Jamaica. If you see that, well, you hear. This is the second day of laying blocks. All right, here I am over at the construction site again today. This is the second day of laying blocks, and we ran out of cement, but I ran over to Port Morant, which is about 25-30 minute drive, and got some. They're already delivered. It's not even 9 o'clock yet. We already got our delivery. But here's the beautiful thing about Jamaica. If you see that, well, you hear. Anyway, we got the nice thing about Jamaica. We ran out of cement last night. So anyway, the wonderful thing about Jamaica. The wonderful thing about Jamaica. Look, we ran out of cement. We were out of cement last night, so we quit. Well, this morning we wanted to get a start. Well, the beautiful thing, the community spirit, the guy down the road who's been helping out over here, and he's also got a little construction going on. He lent us 6 bags. And right now, the truck that did our delivery is taking those 6 bags over to his house for him to return them. So we didn't have to stop our work. And that's, you see that all the time. We were out of water the other day. The neighbor lent us their water out of their tank. And then we refilled it when the water came in the pipe. And we were out of sand the other day. And the same man that lent us the cement, he lent us some sand until we got our delivery. Or maybe it was concrete, I don't remember. Or I mean, it was sand or gravel, I don't remember which was. But yeah, that's the way it works over here. All right, I'm gonna go. Boy, Lucy's gonna be a YouTube star after yesterday. You still got a rip in your pants? Show me. Show. It's gonna be all over YouTube. That video's going viral. It hadn't posted yet, but it's out there. You're going to be a viral YouTube video now with Lucy in his ripped out pants.
Yeah, every pants and we come and split out. Look
at it. Look at the way. If you'd like to know, the way he eats, you'd know why his pants keep splitting out, because they can't. Can you imagine what his parents must go through groceries over there? 5-pound bread every day. Every day, one man right here. He's a 5-pound bread man every day. He'll soon be up to 2 loaves a day.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Powerful, man.
Yeah, look at him. He's got ripped out pants, so I'm going to have to edit again. I see that.
Yeah, man.
All right, so all you fans on YouTube been asking about this, so I'm going to show you how it works over here. See, as they lay the blocks, then you got the next man come along behind, or the next lady in this case. Right. And they fill these up. So these are solid. These are solid, pure cement, pure concrete walls when it all is said and done.
Yeah. And we are tied up building our steel, yeah.
Okay.
We put a steel every 3 rows.
Every 3 rows you put a steel.
We put a steel in it, tie it back in it.
Oh, you tie it into the columns.
Yeah.
See, look, you get tied into the column there.
Yeah, man. So here, so now we are up here, so now put steel pan inside here. We run a row of length of steel pan one there. Put in a column. All them things there we are.
Oh, okay. This is going to be a strong house, you know, very strong.
Yeah. Yeah. And so now we are carrying right up our foundation.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And then we dump him, pump him out.
Yeah. Now I see some of these bars are about to the end. You got to tie another one to it before you go up any higher.
Yeah. You got to tie steel pan them here.
Okay. How big is the overlap when you tie those?
How tall yours?
And when you tie another one on there, how far has it got to overlap?
We just have it like, no, it can't go like 2 feet and stuff.
2 feet? Because that one you're not going to be able to go 2 feet.
Yeah.
How are you going to go 2 feet?
You know, it's not going to reach it, careful. But it's still alright.
It's still okay? Alright.
Yes, I suppose the veranda too.
If you know if anybody's going to be over here asking, it's going to be me.
Yeah. But yes, I veranda too, so now it's going too
That's
far.
true. That's true. That's as far as it's going. See, these guys know. These guys know. These are my head men right over here.
Yeah.
They're in charge of everything.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
They're in charge of everything. So when I got trouble, I come to them. So they know all about me and how particular I can be and how much trouble I can be.
Yeah.
But I tell you what, you couldn't ask for a better couple guys to work with.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Project are going good, all right.
Yeah. Yeah. It's looking good. It's starting to look like it might be a good place to put a house, you know, one of these days.
Yeah. Black are run good and straight and nice.
Yeah.
And even if my pocket's empty, I don't really want to go to work. No, no, no. It is so sweet under the sun. I'm gonna take my time, 'cause I don't really want to go to work. Got up this morning, look around and see the sun high. I grab my bag and take my phone. I shut the door and walk into the light. Oh yeah. And suddenly my phone is ringing. I can hear my boss is shouting at me. You know what? He wants me to hurry, but I will not control my feet. And even if my pocket's empty, I don't really want to work. It is so sweet under the sun. I'm gonna take my time, 'cause I don't really want to go to work. Now that I'm hearing all these wonderful things in my head, singing and dancing, I love it. I'm losing my mind. Oh yeah. Ringing again, again and again. My boss is really mad at me. Yeah. Wants me to hurry, but I cannot control my feet. And even if my pocket's empty, I don't really want to work. It is so sweet under the sun. I'm gonna take my time, 'cause I don't really want to go to work. It is so sweet under the sun. And even if my pocket's empty, I don't really want to go to work. It is so sweet under the sun. I'm gonna take my time, 'cause I don't really want to go to work. Feels so good.
That's one of the most important jobs right there. I see you got the important job.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They have to eat to work.
If they can't eat and drink,
They
they
can't
can't
work.
work. No, they can't. That's true.